Hi, thank you for watching. I'm in my bathroom. It's not the best lighting, but I hope this does go well. I'm using the Cetaphil lotion. I got this at a beauty supply store. Now I'm using these hair clips from Shein. These are really good for holding down the flyaways that I have. I have a lot of them, so they're good for holding them down. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Rose Primer. These are Betsey Johnson sponges. These are really good. My sister got them at Macy's Backstage for a good deal. Then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Tinted Moisturizer in the color Light Medium. I didn't want to do anything too big. I felt like heavy makeup didn't suit my face. Definitely the eyeliner is what's gonna pop out the most. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer in the color Medium Peach. Then I'm taking a powder and just setting the tinted hydrator and the concealer. This is the color Translucent. Then I'm going with the Ardell brow pomade in the color Soft Black and a eyebrow brush. And I'm just gonna lightly carve out my eyebrows. My eyebrows look fine without it, but I did want to add a little bit of color just to make my eyebrows pop out a little bit.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
Now I'm using the iMethod eyeliner stamp.
Usually it's something that moves.
Then I'm going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Then I'm taking a liner brush from Shein and the eyeshadow palette from Amazon. The Benefit Professional setting spray, I'm going to spray it onto the eyeshadow and then pick it up with the eyeliner brush. So at this point I'm looking at the mirror and it's coming out really well. Then I'm taking a smudger brush from Shein and using the same colors that I used, and I'm just gonna smudge it under my eyelids. Taking an eyelash curler, I'm curling my eyelashes. Now I'm using the Cala Volt lashes in the style Wispy. Now I'm using the IT Cosmetics 5-in-1 mascara. So the reason why my under eyes are very white is because I'm baking so that my under eyes don't look creasing or baggy, and the powder actually helps. Now I'm dusting off the powder.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene.
Now I'm taking this very old Ulta Beauty rainbow highlighter. I don't think they make these anymore. Then I'm using the NYX mechanical lip liner in the color Sand Beige and just lining my lips. Now I'm taking the NYX Smooth Whip lipstick in the color Teddy Fluff. This lipstick smells like chocolate frosting. I've seen this TikTok trend where people overline their lips. I tried it and I just look stupid. Now I'm using the setting spray, and that's it for the makeup part. Hi! Now for the hair, you can tell already that I already did it. All I did was I straightened it, but curled the tips with the straightener, and then I used the hairspray to clip the hairs in so it could stay longer. So now I'm just taking the clips out one by one to see how the results came out. So far, I'm liking the results. This is the front. And this is the back. Usually my hair is in the center part, so I wanted to do something different and just go with the side part. I'm gonna use the hairspray to spray my hair and then comb it, and then after that I'm gonna tease my hair. So I am taking the crown part of my hair and I'm gonna pull some of it. Use a hairspray first and then tease it. This really helps boost some texture into the hair. And then I just grab another part and then add another part. Do the same thing all over again.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So once I'm done with the hair, I'm going back with the hairspray and fixing it. This is my favorite part. I am going to wear this spiky headband. It looks so freaking awesome. It just fits me so well. Wow, I look like a villain in a Disney movie. And that's it for the hair and makeup tutorial.
So then, why?
Giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.